Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead Entrance. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. This interface of the course is self-explanatory and user-friendly. In this video I will share chemistry question and solutions which help you grow your knowledge to the Lead Entrance exam. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start with the question in this video tutorial. Read the question carefully. Question 1. Ammonia contains 82.35% of nitrogen and 17.65% of hydrogen. Water contains 88.90% of oxygen and 11.10% of hydrogen. Nitrogen trioxide contains 63.15% of oxygen and 36.85% of nitrogen. Show that these data illustrate the law of reciprocal proportions. Solution. In ammonia, 17.65 gram of hydrogen combined with nitrogen is equal to 82.35 gram. Therefore 1 gram of hydrogen combined with nitrogen is equal to 82.35 divided by 17.65 gram, which is equal to 4.66 gram. In water, 11.10 gram of hydrogen combined with oxygen is equal to 88.90 gram. Therefore 1 gram of hydrogen combined with oxygen is equal to 88.90 divided by 11.10 gram, which is equal to 8.00 gram. Therefore the ratio of the weights of nitrogen and oxygen, which combined with fixed weight open bracket equal to 1 gram close bracket of hydrogen is equal to 4.66 proportion 8.00 is equal to 1 proportion 1.7. In nitrogen trioxide, ratio of weights of nitrogen and oxygen, which combined with each other is equal to 36.85 proportion 63.15 is equal to 1 proportion 1.7. Thus the two ratios are the same. Hence it illustrates the law of reciprocal proportions. Question 2. For the gaseous reaction, hydrogen plus chlorine gives rise to 2-hydrochloric acid. If 40 ml of hydrogen completely reacts with chlorine, then find out the required volume of chlorine and volume of produced hydrochloric acid. Solution. According to Gay-Lussac's law, hydrogen plus chlorine gives rise to 2-hydrochloric acid. 1 ml of hydrogen will react with 1 ml of chlorine and 2 ml of hydrochloric acid will produce. Therefore 40 ml of hydrogen will react with 40 ml of chlorine and 80 ml of hydrochloric acid will produce. Required volume of chlorine is equal to 40 ml. Produced volume of hydrochloric acid is equal to 80 ml. Question 3. If number of protons in x power minus 2 is 16, then number of electrons in x power plus 2. Solution. Number of proton in x power minus 2 is equal to 16. Therefore number of electron in x power plus 2 is equal to 14. Question 4. In carbon atomic number 12 atom, if mass of electron is doubled and mass of proton is halved, then calculate the percentage change in mass number of carbon atomic number 12. Solution. In carbon atomic number 12 and mass number 6, number of electrons is 6, number of protons is 6 and number of neutrons is 6. If mass of electron is doubled and mass of proton if halved, then number of electron is 12, number of proton is 3 and number of neutron is 6. Therefore atomic number gives rise to 12 to 9. Percentage change is equal to 3 divided by 12 into 100, which is equal to 25%. Question 5. Assuming that atomic weight of carbon atomic number 12 is 150 unit from our atomic table, then according to this assumption, the weight of oxygen atomic number 16 will be. Solution. 12 atomic mass unit is equal to 150. Therefore 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 150 divided by 12. Therefore 16 atomic mass unit is equal to 150 divided by 12 into 16 is equal to 200 unit. At last, once again guys, if you really like my channel, Lead Entrance, top questions and answers in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.